I'll show you how to enter Fastboot mode on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So what you want to do is turn off your device first. Simply press and hold the power button like so until the power menu appears. Then select power off and tap on power off once again and allow your phone to power off completely once you feel the vibration. Now what you want to do is press the side key and volume up button simultaneously until you see the flashing Tecno logo. And once you see that, release the side key and continue pressing the volume up button to reboot your phone in recovery mode. So side key or volume or power button and volume up simultaneously press. You will feel a slight vibration and see the Tecno flashing logo. Then release the side key and continue pressing volume up. Continue pressing until the phone boots in recovery mode. There you go. And now once you're in recovery mode, you want to scroll down using the volume rockers because the touch is insensitive. So scroll down using the volume rockers and you should land on the option enter Fastboot. So select enter Fastboot like that. And as you can see, you're now in Fastboot mode. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.